Good morning, friends. So let's start with the TCS and QT test preparation for coding round in Python language. Let's understand the rules first. First rule is you have only one coding question which you have to complete in 20 minutes. Secondly, you have choice of 5 languages starting from C, C++, Java, Perl and Python. You will be provided an ID to debug the code, and the evaluation will be based on the test cases in which there are some test cases which are given and many of them were hidden. So let's move to the question. Right, so question will be started. We have to check whether the number is a prime or not. Secondly, we have to check whether the number is positive or negative. So if the number is negative, then we have to check and print the number, please enter the positive number. And if the number is positive, then we have to call the function prime and check whether the positive number is prime or not. So let's start. We will write the code for the prime number. So I will write down here a comment for prime number for its better understanding. So if the see the one is neither prime. So if n is greater than 1, so now I will put a for loop, because we have to print the number. We have to check from 2 whether it is a prime or not. So for I in range, sorry for that, 2 comma n, we will check whether it is divisible by I or not. So we have to give a condition if n % I is equal to it's not I, it's I is completely divisible by 0, then print it's not a prime number. And in the else condition, okay, no, but we have to come out of the loop. So what will we do? We will give you a break statement here. So what break do? It will break the looping process and it will jump to the next condition. So for reaching to the next condition, we will give a else statement to print whether a number is a prime. Now we have written this code to check whether the number is a prime or not, but we have to also check for another condition, whether the number is entered a positive or not. So let's check for it. So I will write another comment for this to check positive and negative number. So if let's give an input statement n1. I have taken a variable n1. Now I will write an input statement as the number will be an integer. So I have taken int here, and I will write here enter number. After that, the condition for the number to be positive, so it should be greater than 0. So what will we do? We will do its opposite, like this. If n1 is greater than 0, then print n. Else, what we have to do, if the number is negative, then we have to print that enter the positive number, then we will print it here. in this way we will execute our code here. So this way we will complete it. In this way it will get executed and you will get the test results for this. So let's check with it. I have given number prime. I have called the function prime, and let's